If you thought the recent interstellar object 3I Atlas was mysterious, just wait until you hear about these 9 strange objects revealed by renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku. The brilliant but controversial scientist has made some stunning revelations about these enigmatic space oddities, which have left scientists baffled. So what are these space secrets, and how do they relate to the interstellar visitor? Let's take a closer look. Number 1. The comet. Interstellar object 3I Atlas is officially classified as a comet, although many scientists disagree with this assessment. Comets are known for their characteristic shape and composition, often referred to as dirty snowballs due to their icy nature. However, this particular object has an unusual appearance and seems to defy conventional comet behavior. Its shape is more akin to a pancake, and it lacks the typical coma or atmosphere that surrounds comets. Furthermore, it doesn't seem to be releasing gas and dust as it approaches the sun, making it even more perplexing to scientists. Number 2. A chunk of ice. Michio Kaku suggests that this interstellar object could be a chunk of ice that has broken off from a larger celestial body. He theorizes that it originated as part of a dwarf planet or comet that was shattered by a collision in deep space. This hypothesis is supported by the object's pancake-like shape, which could have resulted from the fragmentation. However, there's no evidence of any explosion or recent collisions in the object's path, leaving scientists puzzled about its sudden appearance and the cause of its unusual shape. Number 3. A piece of an alien planet. Kaku puts forth a more imaginative theory, suggesting that this interstellar object might be a piece of an alien planet that has been dislodged from its orbit and flung into interstellar space. This intriguing idea implies that the object could hold valuable information about the planet, its composition, and potentially even signs of extraterrestrial life. However, it's important to note that there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, and it remains purely speculative at this point. Number 4. A probe. Some scientists have suggested that the interstellar object could be a probe that has gone off course or is intentionally exploring our solar system. Proxima Centauri, the star closest to our Sun, is known to have several planets, including one that lies within the habitable zone, where conditions are suitable for life as we know it. It's possible that the interstellar object was sent from this planet as part of a mission to study other stars, or it may have been a discarded piece of equipment from a space exploration project. However, without any markings or technology detected, it's challenging to confirm this hypothesis. Number 5. A fragment of a supernova remnant. Michio Kaku proposes another intriguing theory, suggesting that this interstellar object could be a fragment of a supernova remnant. Supernovas are massive star explosions that occur at the end of a star's life cycle. When a star goes supernova, it leaves behind a cloud of gas and dust that forms a nebula. Over time, this nebula can create new stars and planets. Therefore, the interstellar object could have originated from the explosion of a star that occurred billions of years ago. This theory is supported by the object's estimated age of around 100 million years, which aligns with the lifespan of some supernova remnants. Number 6. A dusty asteroid. Similar to comets, asteroids are also frequent visitors to our planetary system, often originating from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This interstellar object resembles asteroids in its composition and size, leading some scientists to believe it could be an asteroid that has strayed from its usual path. Asteroids typically have irregular shapes and can contain various minerals and organic compounds. However, this object's specific composition remains unknown as it hasn't yet reached a point where it can be analyzed in detail. Number 7. An extraterrestrial artifact. While this theory is highly speculative, some scientists have suggested that the interstellar object could be an extraterrestrial artifact, such as a spaceship or a satellite that has been lost or abandoned by an advanced civilization. Proponents of this theory argue that the object's unusual characteristics cannot be explained by natural phenomena and must have an artificial origin. However, there is no direct evidence to support this claim, and it remains in the realm of science fiction rather than scientific theory. Number 8. A meteorite. Michio Kaku suggests that the interstellar object could be a meteorite that has traveled through space for millions of years before finally reaching our solar system. Meteorites are fragments of asteroids or other celestial bodies that have survived the journey through the atmosphere and landed on Earth. They provide valuable insights into the composition and formation of other celestial objects. However, it's important to note that meteorites typically originate from within our solar system, and this interstellar object's exact origin remains uncertain. Number 9. A natural satellite. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku proposes that this interstellar object might be a natural satellite that has become dislodged from its parent planet. Over time, this satellite could have been ejected from its planetary system and has now entered our solar system as an interstellar visitor. This fascinating theory suggests that the satellite could provide valuable information about its parent planet's atmosphere, gravity, and other characteristics. However, without any visual confirmation of a parent planet or signs of artificial origin, this remains a mere speculation. As humanity continues to explore the vast expanse of space, we are bound to encounter many more enigmatic objects that challenge our understanding of the universe. While the true nature of interstellar object 3I Atlas remains a mystery, these theories offer intriguing possibilities and highlight the boundless wonders that await us in the cosmos. What do you think about these theories? Which one do you find most compelling? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. Thanks for watching.